done by a group of students from GDC Kukatpalli College under the supervision of Dr. M.A. Malik sir. And what is anemia? Anemia is a lack of red blood cells which carries oxygen to our body tissues. There are 5 types of anemia. First one is aplastic anemia, sickle cell anemia, thalassemia anemia, iron deficiency anemia, and vitamin deficiency anemia. Now, my colleague will continue the presentation.
Coming to the statement of problem, our study analyzes about anemia in women and children in Telangana, and also we are going to correlate the problem of anemia with per capita income. Coming to the objectives of the study, we are going to find anemia among women and children, and especially in pregnant women, non-pregnant women, and we are also going to study about average anemia in various districts, and also to compare the anemia of various districts, and to correlate the problem, we also to find the relation between anemia and per capita income. Coming to the hypothesis, the hypothesis is that above 50% of children and women are anemic, and above 60% of pregnant women are anemic, and above 50% of non-pregnant women are anemic, and there may be a negative relation. There is a negative relation between anemia and per capita income. Coming to the methodology, we have used the comparative analytical method, and data, we have used the data which we have collected is actually taken from National Family Health Survey and Telangana Socio-Economic Outlook. And the study period is 2019 and 20, and taking we have used geometric mean and rank correlation along with tabulation of the data. Coming to the review of literature, we have found literature regarding the problem of anemia, but we did not find the comparative study of anemia in various districts, and we also did not find relating the comparative relation of anemia and per capita income. Now my colleague will continue.
This is the table of prevalence of anemia among the children and women in Telangana. Children ages 6 to 59 months is 70% total population of with anemia. Women is 64.7 and non-pregnant women is 57.8 and the woman is 57.6. Pregnant women is 53.2. This is the top 4 districts of anemia among the children in Telangana. These are the last 4 districts of anemia among the children in Telangana. This is the top 4 districts among women aged 15 to 49 years in Telangana. These are the last 4 districts of anemia among the aged 15 to 49 years in Telangana. Next, my colleague will continue this presentation.
These are the top 4 districts having anemia among women of age 15 to 19 years in Telangana. These are the last 4 districts. These are the top 4 districts having anemia among non-pregnant women in Telangana of age 15 to 49 years. These are the last 4 districts. These are the top 4 districts having anemia among pregnant women of age 15 to 49 years in Telangana. These are the last 4 districts. My colleague will continue the presentation.
These are the top 4 districts anemia having average of all parameters, and these are the last 4 districts having anemia average of all parameters. And this is the top 4 districts having per capita income in the year 2019-20. And this is the last 4 districts having per capita income in the year 2019-20. And my colleague will continue the presentation.
As I have said before that our project has its own significance, that we are trying to correlate the problem of anemia with per capita income, and we have done this by using Charles-Edward-Pearson rank correlation. It is the formula of it. And next, coming after finding, we have found that the relation is minus 0.23971, and by this we can say that there is a negative relation, and the negative relation is very weak, that is approximately minus 0.24. Coming to the conclusion, we have made 4 hypotheses. Out of the 4, the second hypothesis which we have made is we said that about 60% of pregnant women may be anemic, but actually it is only 53% of pregnant women are anemic. And coming to the 4th hypothesis, we said that there is a negative relation between per capita income and anemia. Yes, there is a negative relation, but the negative relation is very weak. That means where the anemia, where per capita income is high, the anemia is low, and where per capita income is low, the anemia is high. And thank you.